Atongoria IKIRO-ini itiganite thirikari-ini amwe ao aria mathomeire thukuru-ini wa Alliance ni manyitanire na President William RUTO umuthi ukungũĩri-ini wa miaka 100 kuma riria thukuru uyu wambiriirio ari gicigo-ini kia KIKUYU kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU. Mutongoria wa bururi akioya mweke uyu utugiria thukuru wa Alliance ni undu wa ikiro cia iguru iria ukoretwo unyitiriire.
And we continue looking forward to work with our alumni and our stakeholders to continue making this school continue accomplishing that human capital development.
Only other administration of the government of Kenya that has invested immensely in the infrastructural development of this school is your administration, which in the last 3 years, Your Excellency, has invested hundreds of millions in this school.
Your Excellency, all of us who are alumni of different schools in the country must learn something from the Alliance High School and do everything that is possible to ensure that we give back to the society to make a difference in our school.
The third lesson we draw from Alliance is the uncompromising pursuit of excellence, the discipline to give our very best even when no one is watching and when no one is pushing us, and even when there is no applause. This is the highest expression of character.
Na kiheana Alliance ta muhiano RUTO wahinyiriria no nginya atongoria honge-ini itiganite meheane igana kwa igana niguo gukinyia Kenya gikiro-ini kiu kingi.
The Honorable Amason KINGI, all the way from Magarini. I see Thukuru here, all the way from Turkana. That is the DNA of a great institution called the Alliance. That is how we forge a nation.
Wanathengia wa mateta kuma kuri muingi megie motungata honge-ini itiganite ta githomo na ugima wa mwiri kuringana na RUTO wenyitiriire ni agacĩrithitie honge ici makiria. Thutha wa igongona riri, President na atongoria angĩ kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU ni mathire guthurima tabarĩra ya waki wa nyũmba cia raithi. Haha RUTO anyũrũria ang'etheri ake akienda mataririe muingi maria maratanya kuhingia handu ha gutinda magicokera rwimbo rwa one time.
Wachana na wale watu ambao wanasema tumekuja kwako kutafutia tumbo zetu. Tunataka kuwaambia hakuna mtu huwa atafutii tumbo yake, si ndio? Na kama tumbo zetu ni manyumba kama hizi zinajengwa hapa Kikuyu, wacha ikue hizo ndizo tunatafuta asubuhi na mchana.
Wanaongea sijui Kasongo, sijui Must Go, sijui RUTO, sijui nani. Mimi nawaambia wale jamaa, my friends, tafuteni sera. RUTO si sera, Kasongo si sera, one time si sera. Waambie hao wananchi ni nini mtafanya tofauti kutoka ile tunafanya.